So, now I would like to say something about tea. This time there is taxation on common tea. The tea that we are consuming here so that there can be more earnings through export. But if we examine this tea industry, we will find that we are not getting good results either by the efforts of the tea board or by the efforts of government. One fourth of the production of the whole country is represented by tea, but that much of attention is not given by the government to this industry. They think that it is already getting foreign earning and so it should continue to get it. But efforts should be made not only to develop this industry but also to improve the industry through research and other things. As you know, in some parts, the foreign companies which are working here are neglecting this industry. They are only after the profits. They are not thinking of the development of the industry. There is room for development in many respects, but it all depends upon research work, and research stations should be set up wherever there is neglect. No doubt, the tea board is there, but the tea board is not seeing to these things. That is our complaint. In the tea board, people are there who are not at all eager to see how this industry could be developed, how we could earn more profits, how the quality could be improved, and how the quantity could be increased. We are not seeing to that. I come from a part where the tea industry plays an important part in the economy of that area. But I find that it is being neglected from year to year and no attention is given to it. I find that there is this drought menace in the tea plantations. As a result, no further improvement in plantation is made. There, the development of tea can be undertaken. I only suggest this to our finance minister when you are giving relief to coffee. Why are you not giving relief to tea, which is earning much more foreign exchange? I humbly urge our finance minister to see to it and remove this burden on common tea. Now, I would like to say a word about betel nut. There is taxation on betel nut which is imported. In my part, large quantities of betel nuts are being smuggled.